Yeah, so what's your name?
Donovan Ocho, the son of Kevin Ocho, owner of Springfield.
Oh, Springfield.
Yeah.
Okay, so today you're here to meet the king, right?
Yeah, of course.
How do you feel?
You know, his uncle. I've seen him plenty of times growing up, but I go here, so it's my university. So
Oh, okay. So
for
you're
him to come here,
all right.
I'm like, wow, you know,
That's right.
like
Yeah,
yeah,
I'm glad to meet you. That's it.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's nice.
I mean it's good. It's good to meet the king. Now, do you learn anything about Shanti Kingdom?
Yeah, I'm Asante.
Oh, you're Shanti.
Yeah.
Oh,
So that one there, yeah.
Oh, what you saying?
Yeah, my
Oh,
father,
good.
yeah.
Would you probably say?
That one there, I
You don't know. So do you know
that?
that?
So you know,
Yeah. So do you know the day you were born?
Yeah, I'm Kojo.
Kojo. So that's Monday. Kojo, what you saying? Yeah, pa. Kojo, me that's it.
Of course,
Good,
of course.
good. Thank you.
Now, do you think there's any buff fruits around Kelewele, Jollof? You know, we need some food,
we need
eh?
the food.
Eat well.
Yeah, and the jollof, yeah.
And watch it. We need to eat
And
well.
the
very
fufu,
well.
as
Of course.
fufu, no, as we did.
And grano soup.
That's right.
Of
And the
course.
soup, grano soup.
Yeah.
Ati also ono di grano soup. Nanti abusi grano soup no. Awusa ni pa na ba na ba and then one ebe yire pa and then obi a twen yoga and interesting. So stay here. I had the reason so your mom na kwa ba. School for no ba no mo ba. I mean, we should I mean that's so I'm for Proud Africa oh. Crown ho fe ye pa. Omo ho fe ye pa. Yeah, we are still live at Howard University, Washington, D.C., America. Now you're ready, sir. That's right. Okay, so we say the TN said, no, you wrote two for Namikasi, something in and there. Wabana, what because actually we are saying now, the royal lectures, I did unity. How I bet me a connected in African Americans, no, one say a poor channel, say a bay, I bet me I can walk when I return back to Yaya back. And now you're now training part of one person, Betty baby, and the brain worker say they want to hear the unity, a crown so I can get the connection. So interesting.
I'm not going to find out. I'm going to be adding. Follow. Listen, you follow.
Why you know what I'm saying?
Maybe the enemy. Let me say me.
Okay, yeah. It's a call. I want like one.
Yeah, well, like.
Yeah, almost as a people not need to. Okay. Okay. I so what range I don't? I can have the wrong entrance in one room. What team song? Kwaba. Mopia. Okay.
I want to tell you about it.
I eat power. Usiafu ya wahasi na ejumane yabene dosu nti si ya gather energy wahasi ya egusu wahasi patoba no like video dia mai wa uba no like no share uba like mai why what ma share dia ko to any platforms ni nua no so tie bi ya wahasi ana yang ko isa do ba ko mra yang ko mra je chiniti eti sari ati ano yebe ko inside one ya fa inside also the abremo ya fa inside also the abremo ewia yebe ko inside ya fa inside the abremo ya no me be ko da no pick a crowd na why okay ti you say for say kan ya bom nkae no ya no fa me ya ne me chine pagya ko ti say ya kan no ya no abo nipa na tena se nya bete kra nipa na tena se ba bia is so interesting and I think say and nipa na crowd say Obia Babiti or Santa Henry to welcome to the Reason Show. We are live, and it's so interesting. But Bia Ma, the Bomonkai said, and Omobana, Obia Babiti, Abia Pesoveshe or Santa Henry. It